Okay, guess I'm glad I caught that before it was too far out. But, yeah, all hell just broke loose. All hell just broke loose. So, this thing all of a sudden got all weird. And, it's still recording, so every once in a while this 360 cam decides just to take a dump on me, and I don't know why. But yeah, this is Samyang Bibimmyun. It's a cold South Korean noodle for the summer months, and usually have a lot of nice vegetables with it, and yeah. And that's what we shall do. There we go. Yeah. So, it's almost the end of the month, and my whole thing is to be able to do as many steps in the month as I can. And now, I got today and tomorrow. I've got about 660,000, and I want to get to 700,000. I can pull it off. Once I'm done with this and doing a little bit of editing, I gotta do a bunch of apartment laps, and then I gotta go and walk around downtown. Well, once that's all done, hopefully I'll just have like 20 to 25,000 to do tomorrow. If I can get it to that point, that should be smooth sailing. And that'll be 80,000 more steps than last month, which usually the way, at least it calls them miles. I don't know how far out or exact they are. But about 11,000 steps is 5 miles. So 50,000 is like 25 miles. Yeah. I've never in one day done 50,000. I've done 40,000 a couple times, but not 50. Sooner or later I'll be able to pull that off. I just kind of get bored with it at that point, because when you think about it, so, I do, what is it like, when I'm doing apartment laps, the horrible, worst walking experience ever, I can do 10 in a minute, and each one is 10 steps, so that's like 100 steps a minute, right? That's 1,000 steps every 10 minutes. That's 6,000 steps an hour. So that'd be 60,000 steps going non-stop if you did it for 10 hours. So yeah. I've gotten 40,000 before, but yeah, that's like, that ends up being about 6 hours worth. That's a lot of walking. I'm gonna give it a few seconds extra because it boiled over and everything just went crazy. Looks pretty much done. Now with these, you have to rinse them in cold water. If you don't do that, and I've forgotten to do it before, so I'm not infallible as most of you think. And when I do make a mistake, somebody would lose your freaking minds. Wow. It's okay, I am human. Kinda. Alright. So, you're wondering, how do you make it cold? I'll show you. Watch. That is cold water. Oh. So there, now our noodles are cold. Very cold. Got without warmth. So we're gonna take this and put it over here, and this and put it right here, and get you in on the cold noodle action. I hope you can see it, because whatever happened here. There we go. Alright. My heads-up display, the heads are back up. Put our sauce in there. A lot of sauce. Saucy sauce. From South Korea. Sauce. Alright, so then you just stir. God. That is kind of a downside of this stuff too. You have to like stir and stir and stir and stir because it's thick. And it's cold, so it doesn't want to combine as easily. But once it really starts going, things get okay. Sauce and sauce and sauce and sauce. Alright. Let's see if we can wrangle this. Actually, first I should give it a good taste. Yeah, let's give this a try. Ooh! Spicy. I'm digging that. That's quite good. I haven't had any bibimbap in a while. I think the last time I had, or Bibimmyun, it's been quite a while since I've had bibimbap. But I used to have it pretty often. We used to go out for Korean food quite a lot. But it's been a while. It makes me want to go out for Korean food right now. But I'll stay in and have this Korean food. And a little bit of hammy ham. Yummy. And before I forget, yeah, I walked to the store this morning because I didn't feel like making eggs today. You're probably thinking like, dude, really? And really, I just didn't feel like making hard-boiled eggs. So I bought a couple, which I am prone to do from time to time. So those will get used. There's one. I'm only going to use one, but alright. There we are. Yeah, it's kind of like a cold salad, and it's ultra good when it's hot out. It's like, I think cold noodles, honestly, the whole thing is most of them only come out in the summer, and I think that's really logical and smart and good. So, let's see if I can get a nice, yeah, there we go. And here we go. Alright, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Yeah. Bibimmyun. Have a good one. Bye.